feeling stressed or overwhelmed lately, you're not alone. In these fast-paced times, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves and our emotions. The world we live in today often feels like a non-stop roller coaster with technological advancements, economic pressures, and societal expectations, all contributing to an environment that can be stressful and anxiety-inducing. It's no surprise that many of us find ourselves grappling with feelings of unease, confusion, and even burnout. But what if there was a way to navigate through this chaos with a sense of calm and clarity? This is where mindfulness comes into play, a practice that has its roots in ancient Buddhist traditions. Mindfulness has gained popularity in recent years as a tool to manage stress and improve mental health. So, what exactly is mindfulness? Well, in the simplest of terms, mindfulness is a mental state achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment. It's about tuning into what's happening right now, without judgment and without getting caught up in thoughts about the past or the future. It's about being fully engaged with the here and now, whether you're eating a meal, taking a walk, or simply breathing. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. While the concept of mindfulness may seem straightforward, the effects it can have on your mental well-being are profound. Studies have shown that regular practice of mindfulness can reduce stress, improve attention and memory, and even help with conditions such as depression and anxiety. Mindfulness, however, is not about eradicating stress. Contrary to what some may believe, stress is a normal part of life. It's how we respond to stress that can make all the difference. And that's where mindfulness comes in. It equips us with the tools to navigate through life's ups and downs with a sense of balance and equanimity. Mindfulness is not about eradicating stress, but learning how to manage it. Ready to explore some easy techniques? Our first technique is mindful breathing. It's as simple as it sounds. With mindful breathing, we're not trying to change or alter our breath. We're simply observing it as it is. Inhale, exhale, that's it. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit upright, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and leaving your body. It's this very act of focusing on each breath that brings us into the present moment, away from the distractions of the past or anxieties about the future. But what if your mind wanders? That's perfectly normal. Whenever you notice your thoughts drifting away, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. It's this gentle return that strengthens your mindfulness muscle. Remember, mindfulness isn't about achieving a state of eternal calm or emptying your mind. It's about noticing where we are, right here, right now. And our breath, steady and constant, is a perfect anchor for this awareness. Mindful breathing is a basic yet powerful technique. It grounds us in the present and calms the mind. Next up, we have walking meditation. Yes, you can practice mindfulness even when you're on the move. Let's explore how to perform a walking meditation. It's as simple as it sounds, but the impact it can have on your mindfulness journey is profound. Your walk could be anywhere. It might be a trek through a forest, a stroll in your local park, or even just pacing in your living room. The environment doesn't matter as much as your focus and awareness. Start by standing still for a moment, grounding yourself in the present. Feel the weight of your body pressing down into the earth, the feeling of the ground beneath your feet. Take a deep breath, exhaling any tension or stress, preparing yourself for mindful movement. Now begin to walk. Move at a pace that feels comfortable and natural to you. As you walk, turn your attention to the sensation of movement. Notice how your muscles contract and release, the rhythm of your steps, the sensation of your feet touching and leaving the ground. Remember, this isn't about getting from point A to point B. It's about fully experiencing the journey moment by moment. Allow your awareness to absorb the totality of the experience, the sensation of air on your skin, the sounds around you, the feeling of movement. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to the sensation of walking. Walking meditation is essentially about cultivating a deeper connection with your body and the world around you. It's about learning to be present, to enjoy the journey rather than constantly rushing towards the destination. It's a practice of patience and a reminder that every step we take can be infused with mindfulness and intention. So the next time you find yourself walking, why not turn it into a walking meditation? It's an easy and effective way to cultivate mindfulness, and it can be done anywhere, at any time. Walking meditation is a great way to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. It brings a sense of peace and balance. How about turning mealtime into a mindfulness session? Welcome to Mindful Eating. This is all about engaging your senses while you eat. It is a simple yet powerful practice that can transform your relationship with food. Start by observing your food. Notice its color, shape, and texture. Is it rough or smooth, hard or soft? Just observe without judgment. Now, bring the food to your nose. What do you smell? Sweet, sour, spicy, or something else? Next, take a small bite. Chew slowly and deliberately. Pay attention to the texture of the food in your mouth. Is it crunchy, creamy, or chewy? Savor the flavor. Is it sweet, salty, bitter, or tangy? Notice how the taste changes as you continue chewing. Pause between bites. Reflect on the sensations, the taste, and how it makes you feel. This isn't just about slowing down, but about truly experiencing your food. Mindful eating can transform a mundane activity into a fulfilling experience. It nurtures a healthier relationship with food. Our fourth technique is body scan meditation, and it's about tuning into your body and its sensations. Picture yourself lying down, comfortable and relaxed. The body scan meditation begins at the crown of your head and travels down to the tiny tips of your toes. It's a journey of awareness, a gentle exploration of your own body and its myriad of sensations. Start by focusing on your scalp. Maybe you feel a slight tingle, a tickle, or warmth. Don't judge or analyze these sensations. Simply be aware of them. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring your focus back to your body. Next, draw your attention to your forehead, your eyes, your nose. Notice any sensations, any tension. Perhaps you feel the gentle thrum of your pulse in your temples. Or maybe you become aware of the cool air entering and leaving your nostrils. Continue this journey down your body, taking your time. Your attention travels down your neck, shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. Notice any sensations in your abdomen, your back, and your hips. Travel down the length of your legs, paying attention to your thighs, your knees, your calves, and finally, your feet. Feel the weight of your body pressing down into the surface beneath you. It's a grounding experience, a reminder that you are here in this moment. This body scan meditation isn't about changing anything or fixing anything. It's about noticing and accepting. It's about being present with your body as it is right now. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's your journey of self-awareness. You might find that some areas of your body are void of sensation, while others are buzzing with activity. That's perfectly okay. The aim is to notice, to explore, to be present. Body scan meditation promotes a greater awareness of our physical presence. It's a step towards holistic well-being. Our final technique is mindful listening. It's about fully engaging with the sounds around us. This practice is simple but powerful. It helps us to become more present and aware in our daily lives. So how do we do it? Start by finding a quiet place. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now let your attention drift to the sounds in your environment. It could be the distant hum of traffic, the gentle rustling of leaves, or the steady rhythm of your own heartbeat. The trick is not to label or judge these sounds. Don't let your mind wander to the source or meaning of the noise. Instead, let the sounds wash over you just as they are. This practice is not about blocking out noise, but accepting it. It's about understanding that sounds, like thoughts, come and go. They're part of the ever-changing landscape of our experience, and as we listen, we might find that our minds become quieter. We might notice a sense of peace and calm emerging from within. That's the power of mindful listening. Mindful listening opens up a new world of sensory experience. It cultivates a deeper connection with our environment. So, these are the 5 easy ways to start practicing mindfulness. Let's take a moment to reflect. We've journeyed through mindful breathing, allowing ourselves to connect with the natural rhythm of our breath. We've explored walking meditation, grounding ourselves in the present moment with every step. We've experienced mindful eating, savoring each bite, and appreciating the nourishment food provides. We've also engaged in a body scan meditation, fostering a deep sense of connection with our physical selves. Lastly, we've practiced mindful listening, opening our ears and minds to the symphony of sounds around us. These 5 techniques offer a simple yet profound way to cultivate mindfulness in your daily life. They help you foster a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you, navigate stress with grace, and cultivate a sense of peace and balance. Remember, mindfulness is not a quick fix, but a journey. Take the first step today and embrace a more mindful life.